So now here we will see some automotive applications of MBD. Okay, so the first one is your engine management system. So MBD is used for fuel injections, ignition timing and emission control. And the second one is your battery management in the electric vehicle, which is used to monitor the cell voltage, current and the temperature for safe operations. Okay, the third one is your ABS and the cruise control. So it will use to control the wheels, braking and maintain the constant speed through the controller designed in the Simulink. And the last one is your ADAS functions. So basically ADAS driver assist features like lane keeping, collision warning and adaptive cruise control are developed and tested with the MBD to ensure the safety. So this was about the different types of testing in the model based development, which is your mill, sill and hill. Apart from this, we have one more testing which is pill, basically known as processor in the loop. Okay, and we have also discussed some key applications in the automotive systems like engine management, battery management, ABS cruise control and the ADAS.